Clear cylindrical tubes by Cylindrical are ideal for packaging items like candles, bath bombs, baked goods, and candy, all while keeping contents beautifully visible and securely protected. Our clear cylindrical tubes are made from premium PVC, the gold standard for clarity and durability, and are FDA approved for direct food contact. These cylinder-shaped boxes are not only crystal clear, but also easy to work with and scratch-resistant, making them a pleasure to handle and ensuring a clean, professional presentation every time. The boxes are appreciated for their gold bottom insert, which enhances the presentation, and for the fact that they arrive assembled and ready to use. Their lid and base are already set up, ensuring a speedy workflow. For clarity, quality, and versatility, choose Cylindrical's clear cylindrical tubes.